Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. To create this tutorial, we use the Extrude, Fillet, Hole, and Shell. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So the first thing that we make, we create this line here with 16 millimeters, another line here with 20 millimeters, and this line here, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. So we'll close the sketch here, and the distance between this edge and the midpoint is 120 millimeters, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the right plane, select the line, make the sketch here. The distance here is 120 millimeters. Make this coincident here, sorry. Let me move this dimension here. Okay, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 60 millimeters. So go to create, select extrude. The extended type, select the distance, direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 60 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay? Now let's create this arc here. To make this, we use the full round fillet. So go to modify, select fillet. The type here, select full round fillet. Select this face here and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we needed to create this hole here. This hole has 20 millimeters of diameter and it is concentric with this arc, okay? So go to create a sketch or go to hole, select this face here. The extend, select all. The diameter here is 20 millimeters of diameter. And to reference, select this arc here and press OK. We made this, okay. Now we needed to remove some part here. So and the thickness here, it will be 2 millimeters. To make this, we use the shell feature. So go to modify, select the shell, select this face. We needed to select the face that we want to remove, okay. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters. Direction inside and press OK. We made this, okay. Now press letter A in the keyboard. Fusion appearance. I move the green color here. Okay. Now select the face. Select this face here. Let me add the color black here. Okay. And here inside I take the yellow color here. Okay. Now go to inspect and select the section analysis. Select the right plane here. Press OK. We made this. So here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.